Welcome back, children. So in the previous video we studied about the limits, definitions, and some method how to solve the question of the limits. Okay, let's see some questions. So evaluate limit x tends to 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So here, children, you can see that the question will be coming in this form. Okay, and whatever number is given in the down limit, that value x tends to 1, that is the value of nearer 1. Okay, not exactly 1. That value you have to put in the place of x also, but before that we have to factorize the given function. So what is given here? Just to write down, first of all, limit x tends to 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So first of all we can factorize the upper one, numerator part. You can see 2x square minus 3x plus 1. In the separately you can factorize that one, and the value you have to write over here. So when you factorize by splitting the middle term, you will get 2x minus x plus 1. Then you will take the common x plus 1 here, x minus 1 here, and here plus x minus x and x minus 1, and you can take x minus 1 like this. Okay, and when you factorize the given function, what the value will get? 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. So this value you have to write here after factorizing, and limit also you have to write along with that. So 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 is the factorized term of the given function. But in denominator x square minus 1, so here we can use the formula a square minus b square, that is x plus 1 and x minus 1 as a minus b or a plus b. So you can see in this all in the multiplication form. So this one you directly cancel, and you can write you will get here 2x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, now you can put the value of x. So on taking the limit here, what value you will get here? On taking limit, you will get 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. Solve it. 2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. So your answer will be 1 by 2. Whenever you are taking the limit, after putting the value of x, no need to write the limit here. Okay, just directly put the value of x here and you will get the answer. So in this way you have to solve the limit to questions. Okay, now see the next question. Find the value of limit x tends to 3, x square minus 9 into 1 upon x plus 3 and plus 1 upon x minus 3. So first of all write down the limit here and how to solve. First of all we'll solve this part, which is in the form of fraction. Okay, so here take the LCM, see what you will get. You have to just simplify and bring the lowest form, simplest form, then you can put the value of x over there. This is the limit of questions. Okay, so first of all take the LCM, so you will get x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 plus x plus 3. Solve it. This plus minus this one cancel. You will get here 2x into 2x upon. You can see this, children, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So here we can write x square minus 3 square. Okay, directly. And here limit x tends to 3, and this x square minus 9 into 2x, and down also x square minus 9. Both values are same, so we can cancel this one, and directly on taking the limit, what value we get? Directly you can write the 3 in the place of x. This 2x only left, na? This is 2x. So you will get the answer 6. So in this way you can solve the questions, children. Try to solve more question. See here, children, this is another topic in this chapter. One formula is given there. When the question in this form, we limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. When the question will in this form, you have to directly put the value, and a should be always greater than 0. Okay, so one question will do here. You can see that evaluate limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 227, x minus 3. Okay, so you have to bring this question in this form. So how do we bring? You know the value of 3 will be, first you write the question here. You know the value of 27 will be, we can write 27 as a 3 cube. Okay, so here again the question is in this form. So in n place what value is given? This is the value of n. Okay, so directly we will use the formula, this one. 3 a value is what given there? A value, 3 value is given, and your n value is also 3. So a into 3, 3 minus 1, in this way. Understood? Now you can solve 3 into 3 square, and this 3 square, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 are 27. So in this way you can solve the this type of question. The value you have to write over there, n into a, n minus 1. This formula we will use. Okay, in this type of questions. Now see the next question. Limit, if limit is given x tends to 3, x to the power n minus to the power n upon x minus 3, and here you have to find the value of n, and this will be equal to given, that is 405. Okay, 405 value is given. So here first of all write what is given there. Limit x tends to 3, x to the power n, 3 to the power n upon x minus 3 equal to 405. Okay, for this you can write the formula. You know formula, what the formula is there? Our n into a, n minus 1. This formula we can use here. Here in place of a what is given? 3 is given, n is not given. So directly we will write here n into 3, n minus 1. Okay, and here in the place of this 405 we have to simplify in the terms of like this. So if you simplify, you will get here 5 into 3 to the power 4. When you multiply this 3 4 times, and if you multiply with 4, 5, you will get 405. And in this form, if you want to bring it, you have to write like this: n minus 1, 5 into 3, 5 minus 1, because the formula is like this. Okay, now now you can easily find out here what is the value of n. N value, in place of n value, what is coming here? In place of n, 5. So our n value is our 5. So in this way you can solve the questions. Okay, in the next video we'll continue.